Again, there is a lot of FUD around Binance, but I will in this video explain exactly what is happening here. You see Binance plunges into a crisis as senior executive quit over CZ response to Justice Department investigation. So all these headlines, which are right now the end of Binance, all the workers of Binance leaving Binance, and so on and so on. This is all FUD, and I explain you exactly why. Because the biggest headline is that this guy called Patrick Hillman, he is the chief strategy officer of Binance, is leaving Binance. And I tell you, the one of the biggest article which said all this FUD was from the Forbes, which is telling that, like the Fortune is writing here, that Binance going in a big crisis because this senior, which I showed you, the Patrick Hillman, is leaving Binance because of CZ response to Justice Department investigation. But that's so not true. And I tell you, you can pay Forbes to make an article of you. So basically, in my opinion, this is all FUD and paid articles to bring the crypto price down, so the big companies, the big institutions can cheaply buy into Bitcoin, into your favorite altcoins. As we see also, and it's proven that BlackRock is right now in this moment buying and filling his bags with Bitcoin and some altcoins. And I explain you why this is FUD, because we have literally from Patrick Hillman, so the man himself, where all this big media is making FUD around, he is saying, apologize for any typos, but I was not expecting to be tweeting about this today. It's true that I'm leaving Binance, but I'm doing so on good terms. I continue to respect and support CZ, and I'm grateful. And you see, he said, I continue to respect and support CZ, and I'm grateful for having the incredible opportunity to work under his leadership. And now we are going further. What is the reason? The reason is my wife is literally going to give birth to our second child any hour now, literally. So the time is right for me to step aside. I will continue to cheer on my colleagues at Binance and support this industry as it matures and evolves. You see, it's really, short flex, it's really all FUD. Guys, please don't. I mean, for us, it's good. We are buying with all the institutions right now. As the price going down of Bitcoin altcoins, we are buying and filling our bags. But please don't let this FUD bring you out of the market or sell your coins. My opinion, not financial advice. Let's go quickly through the charts right now. Here's also my trade, which is still open. My AV long position is still $238 in profit, 1.7% in profit. I'm expecting there are a lot of more profits. We are going right now to watch Bitcoin. Firstly, on the big picture, on the daily, we are perfectly retesting our daily support line, daily 20 moving average. You see here, perfect retest right now. And yes, theoretically, in case we are breaking it down, this would be a short opportunity to the price target of 28,225, so 5%. Why? Because there is a big support zone. There's a monthly 20 moving average, and we have here extreme volume coming in case we are breaking it down. However, I have to pull out here, and we have to go on the 4-hourly right now, and we have to watch the RSI. And on the RSI, we see a huge bullish divergence. You see it here. The RSI is clearly going down. Wait a minute, сука, блядь, why it's not? Да твою ж ты мать, блядь. Wait 1 second. Хуяк. You see the RSI is going down while the price is going up. And what does this mean? It means we have a bullish, big bullish divergence on the 4-hourly. But this is not enough right now to say, yeah, the probability is more likely to go up. I have another thing for you. If we are going on the total crypto market cap, which is much more important, we see right now we perfectly bouncing on this support line, on this yellow support line. And this is crucial right now, because I told you, in case, if we are zooming out, in case we are breaking this yellow support line, we will see the total crypto market dumping to $1 trillion. It means we would see Bitcoin to 25K again. In case we see a bounce on this, as it looks like right now on this yellow line, we see Bitcoin and the total crypto market cap going to 1.1 trillion. In case we are breaking this resistance line, we will see Bitcoin running to 35K. But for sure, However, what we see also here right now, and what is very important, we see also here a massive bullish divergence on total crypto market cap. So this makes our likelihood, you see the RSI is going down while the total crypto market cap is going up, a massive bullish divergence. This makes again much more likely that we will see a bounce to the upside than to the downside. And if we are watching the S&P 500, which is the leading indicator for Bitcoin, we see we are forming perfect cup and handle, which is again a very bullish sign, because if S&P 500 pump, Bitcoin also will pump. And if we are going here on the 1 hourly, we see also on the 1 hourly of the S&P 500, we see a big bullish divergence. RSI is going down while the price is going up. So everything shouting to us that we should see here a bounce. But not only this, if I'm going right now to watch the funding rates, which are crucial, we see the funding rates are going nearly to zero. You see, I want to see them negative on some, on DYDX they, for example, already negative, because if the funding rates are negative, then we see usually a pump in the market. But right now they are neutral, so this makes again the likelihood of a bounce here very, very likely. So what I expecting here, I expecting in case we not dropping below this daily support line, below this daily 20 moving average, then I expecting here a pump to the upside to 35k. So from here on, in my opinion, it's an amazing long opportunity. Again, if you're jumping right now into a long, the technical price target is around 35,500. We could go even higher here to 37,500. But I would take profits at 35,500 approximately. And if you set your stop loss below this monthly support line here and the monthly 20 moving average, then you have a risk reward 2.79. If you set your stop loss even below, let's say you set even below the monthly 100 moving average, because we could drop if the market cap dropping down, as I explained to you in seconds before, to we could dump to 25,400 or 25,200 in case the total crypto market will be at $1 trillion. Then and you set your stop loss at 24,900, and if your technical price target is around 36,500, then we have a risk reward even of 1.3. It's not the best, but still it's okay. The risk reward is amazing in my opinion. But we have some much better altcoins which we can long, and some of the altcoins is Aave, as I told you, because Aave is in a massive symmetrical triangle which is getting tighter and tighter and tighter, and we have again a nice long entry position. If we are going right now long and set our stop loss at $37, and our technical price target is around $160, because this is the technical price target of the symmetrical triangle, then you have a risk reward of amazing, wait a minute, I open, of 2.52 by the factor 2. This is crazy, guys. But not only Aave, we can also long LDO. LDO risk reward is also amazing right now, because LDO, as you know, it's a staking protocol of Ethereum. And if we are going here long, the technical price target is here at $3.20, because there's coming a lot of volume, $3.20. And our stop loss below the previous lows, so the local lows at $1.60. If we set our stop loss below, so let's say at $1.30 or $1.40 we set our stop loss, then we have a risk reward of 2.28. This is again an amazing risk reward ratio, and you can use the you don't have even to use your money. You can use from Bybit $1,000 free long position. Link is down below in the description or the first pin comment if you want. So I still remain in my long position here, which is $300 in profits. I expecting to breaking out. If Aave reaching $100, what I very likely expecting, then this trade will be in profits around $15,000. So in my opinion, it looks amazing. Yes, we can see it drop down, but overall the market looks very good. This FAT news is a good opportunity for long position. This FAT is a good opportunity for buying for long term, like LDO, FXS, Aave, what we have else, Pepe, and some more, you know, all these altcoins, DYDX, and so on. All the altcoins, you know, in the Telegram group I wrote you, which I'm buying right now, because there are two things how you should, or how we can make a fortune right now in the next 5 months, because then the halving, or 8 months, because the halving is 1st April 2024. Right now, we have to buy for long term. This is 99% of our wealth, and with 1% of our wealth, we can outperform the markets by trading the market. But please do your own research. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you, and I see you later.